Hi, today we're going to go to the rainforest.
Bird and bird train.
Okay, I'm going in. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, are we gonna
You guys all
go?
set?
Yeah, we're all set. Thanks. Ooh, to the rainforest. This way.
Oh, it's hot in here.
Oh. This reminds me of Vietnam. Wow.
Right there!
Oh wow, that is flamingo.
Flamingos can fly.
Oh, we'll see the flamingo in a little bit. Sweetie. Welcome to the Tree Hawk Trail. See that? Welcome.
Good job!
What
Yeah.
does this say?
What is this?
Wait, what does this say? Cold sloth.
What? Two
Oh, they
toes?
even have the white face sloth.
Oh, that's so scary.
Yeah.
It can jump up too.
Let's go see it. Let's go find it. If you find a sloth, you let me know.
I'll make one and I'll put the sting right here.
Oh, watch out for the poop.
There's a bird up there, baby. See that bird?
Oh, I want to see the face. Hi. Cái cute, huh?
Oh, he just won't like turn over.
They just want to know. Hi.
From far away.
It's so cute, huh? What did he do?
He's just scratching.
Yeah? Aw.
I don't want to.
I want a monkey now.
It's chubby. I want it.
Hey, did you guys see the bat?
Yeah.
Did you guys see the bat right here?
Yeah, look at that eye. It's eating.
It's upside down
Yeah.
and it's eating.
I thought it was sleeping. Bats sleep at morning. And they wake up at night time. Look at that kind of bird.
Where?
Right there.
What do you see?
It's
Oh,
right there.
Yeah, that's a big bird. He's gone.
No, he's not.
Oh, he's still there.
Right there.
I see him. Hold on. You just called that. Yeah.
Maybe go in there.
It's a cloud forest. Well, look at this. Weird looking
That's
plant.
your airplane. I think we have to go down or up. What are you guys looking? Scorpion?
I see one.
That-
Wow. That's huge. I'm afraid of the earthquake. You found a frog? Oh, look at these orchids. Nó chuồn có cái cậu luôn nha.
Yeah.
Cái orchid nó là nó cái tại đó nó cuốn với cái hàng cái nhẹ.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, that's huge.
Here, honey, I want this plant.
Yeah,
I want this plant. Let me take picture. What? Oh, the birdie. Don't chase the bird. Okay. Uh-oh. It's coming. It's coming. Is it gonna bite us or what?
It looks like it's coming up to Mama.
Hi, baby. No, Kristen, don't chase it. Okay, go. There's duck kitchen.
I
Kristen.
think you like the duck. Hi, ducky.
Oh, look. Look, do you see that, yo? What is that? It's so big.
What?
You're going lizard.
Okay.
Dragon. What is Komodo dragon?
Did you see it? Did you see that, Kristen?
Then look at the Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragon. That's like a dragon. No.
What?
Yeah?
Cousin, can you ask again? Fire? Maybe. Oh, see, look
Oh
at
my
the
God,
tongue.
you think it can eat you?
Look at the tongue. It say that Kristen is yummy.
That dragon, it wanna eat us!
Yeah. First step on the poop. Yeah, that's fish actually. Oh, a baby duck. Look at that. I want a duck now. Huh?
I think they really like you. Oh, she...
I really hang out with you guys, like you guys.
Come on, birdie.
Birdie, let's go. Let's go, baby. We like bird people.
Oh, I guess not. It's food and spice.
Oh.
Please do not touch. It says, look at it. See, please, no touch. Coconut. See, that's what a coconut tree looks like, girl. The bird is coming back to you.
Oh, he's walking again. Again, he's following us. And he's popped up too. That's bracelets.
Do not touch it.
Okay. Uh-oh, he's following you. Oh, I like macaw. Hi, baby.
There's flamingo and macaw.
Maybe that thing is getting old. That's why I'm bald. What's this thing? Yeah. Nó khói nó còn bớt đi.
I like to do
Follow vòng vòng.
Bird is coming back, Trini.
Oh, he's walking there. Again, he's following us. Then he's popped up too. That's bracelet.
Do not touch it.
Why? They just don't want me to come close to it. Oh, Chini, that's a big, that's a big fish kìa. Cá đây kêu là cá rồng hay gì á?
Nổ cái con mà Hamster gì đó mà con kia ông sát ở cái bự nhất đó nhớ không?
Yeah.
You guys see the turtle?
Oh yeah.
Nobody. Look at that, Daddy. I want to take picture with the bird. Hi. Hi, bird. picture with the bird?
Mommy, Penny,
Yes?
not a big fish.
Yes. Because then they draw the one with yellow
Look, what is
and
it? Look at the video.
this.
There's some papaya.
Daddy, is that a palm tree?
Yes.
Oh.
That's what? Papaya.
Tree.
And then this is the coconut. Look at how it's curved. I think it is.
Oh. Yeah, I like the flowers. It's nice. I don't know what's in there. This is the view outside of Rainforest Pyramid. What did you see today, Trini?
I saw a green parrot. Even I saw the bird following us even when we walk.
That is the rainforest. An aquarium on the other side.
Bye bye. See you next time. Even subscribe to our channel.